Throughout the Pennsylvania State University and the Department of Psychology, we focus on collaboration, cross-disciplinary research, and the translation of knowledge to action. Here, the nature and impact of our work has no boundaries. We are the people who care about other people.
Many of us in psychology at Penn State seek to understand the interplay between context, culture, social inequalities, and the environment. Within my lab, we explicate how neighborhoods, schools, and family context predict and change adolescents' development. Along with the Parent and Children's Together initiative, we engage in research and outreach projects across Pennsylvania communities.
Psychology graduate students conduct their research across multiple labs and include interdisciplinary perspectives. As a result, their research is far-reaching.
As part of the dual title degree program in Psychology and Women's Gender and Sexuality Studies, our students are showing how psychological processes underpin contemporary social issues, such as stigma and prejudice, diversity and equality, and power dynamics. Their work is helping to reduce social, educational, and health disparities, including those among people who identify as sexual and gender minorities.
The translation of basic science to practice, intervention, and real-world applications can be seen across our department. Whether it be showing how to keep service with a smile from negatively impacting employees' health, or translating basic research to practice and policy initiatives to help families exposed to child maltreatment, we are always considering how to ensure that our work makes the world a better place.
Using basic science to solve real-world problems, our industrial organizational psychologists transform organizations. They improve employees' satisfaction in their work and employers' ability to select and promote the right people for the right positions, while also developing company cultures that enrich the work experience for all.
Through the integration of research, training, and engaged community outreach, the Penn State Child Study Center is dedicated to harnessing the power of developmental science to improve children's lives.
In partnership with the Penn State Child Study Center and the Practice Research Network, the Penn State Psychological Clinic supports students' professional development through the implementation of evidence-based practices for children, adolescents, and adults within our community. Housed in the Department of Psychology, the Penn State Psychological Clinic serves as the primary community mental health center in central Pennsylvania.
Just as there are no limits to the breadth of training at Penn State, there are also no limits to the depth of training. To help graduate students answer the important questions they are asking, we provide training in a vast range of methodological approaches, such as experience sampling, computer vision, qualitative methods, and longitudinal and field studies. We also provide a substantial focus on advanced quantitative methods.
Here in the Department of Psychology, the neurosciences are infused throughout our graduate training. Students will study phenomena ranging from humor to abnormal and normal aging in adults, to temperament in kids, and even traumatic brain injury. And much of this work can be conducted in our state-of-the-art imaging facilities a short walk from the department.
Doctoral students who desire depth and breadth in their training in language sciences can apply to the dual title degree in psychology and language sciences. In my lab, and as part of the Center for Language Science, we use neuroscience to study child and adult language processing and second language learning and bilingualism, as well as code switching and the comprehension of foreign extended speech.
As psychologists, we understand that people need people. In recognition of this, we work hard to ensure that we can connect with one another, to build the relationships that we need to have in place to help each other be at our best and to make the world a better place for everyone. To ensure everyone's success, we are deeply committed to supporting multicultural research and education, to training graduate students to be able to work with individuals from diverse backgrounds, to creating a safe and supportive environment for all and working tirelessly to correct inequities.
The work we do improves lives, solves problems, and makes a difference in the world and the community. At the same time, we value each other, our differences, and the time we have together. We hope you will join us in both our vision and our community.